It's your girl Kane. Welcome back to my channel. No, this is not a story time. This is a miniature vlog. It is, what time is it? 4:55 p.m. I'm getting ready to go to the beach. I'm about to go to the beach. I gotta keep remembering the camera holder's here because I be looking at myself like that. Zam! Nah. I'm about to go to the beach. I'm about to walk on the strip. I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'm going at this time of the day because I want to let the sun go down and I want to let the sand cool off. You know, I just wanted to, I like to go around this time, you know. When you go early in the day, in the morning, it's crowded. It is a lot of, it's just a lot going on. So I go around this time of the day because, like I said, the sun is not cooking how it normally does. The sand is cooled down. So yeah, this is the perfect time to go. So I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to do a little fit check. Y'all know how I do in my vlogs. I got to do a fit check. So I'm going to just prop y'all up right here. Excuse the boobs. Can y'all see? I got on let me take y'all down a little bit. Hold up. I gotta get a watch the rolls. So I got this this little Rompezy on, okay? This is the back. Excuse the back fat, okay? I'm working on my back and all that. Alright, but yeah. That's what I got on. These is what I got on my feet. Don't talk about my toes. So that's my outfit. And I was gonna take a lunch with me, but being that it's dinner time coming soon, I'm gonna stop at one of these restaurants that's on the strip and get me a dinner and just take y'all with me. Let y'all see what's going on. I'm going to the calm part of the strip. I'm going to another area. It's calm sometimes, but yeah, that's where I'm taking y'all. Y'all gonna vibe out with me. I'm not driving because I know it's Saturday and parking is ridiculous. So we're gonna take an Uber there and then Uber back home. So I'm gonna put y'all on hold for a second until I get the Uber, so y'all stay right there. What y'all think? How your girl looking? What y'all think? Oops. Is the girl looking right? Is the girl looking right? I'm a little subconscious about this back fat, you know what I'm saying? But that ain't stopping nothing, you know. That ain't stopping nothing. The wiggers are still outside. The wiggers are still gonna be trying to holler, you know. So yeah, stay right there. Let me get the Uber, y'all. So I'm here at the beach, y'all. I already went and walked in the water. It's crowded. It don't look crowded from the clip that I just showed y'all, but it's crowded. But it feels really good out here. The breeze is good. The breeze is good. The people is out. Oh, the wiggers is out. Let me show y'all this boat. Y'all see the boat? The cruise boat? It's probably going to the Bahamas, the Caribbeans. Yeah, so it's leaving from the port. So it's like a couple here. They just got married on the beach, which is really fire. I think it's fire to get married on the beach. But I am hungry. And there's some people playing music here. I don't want to get restricted. So I'm gonna hit y'all back in this section. This the basketball court, y'all. where Jarrell pulled my wig off at. And it was mad wiggers out here. This is the calm part, y'all. This is Fort Lauderdale Beach Strip. I'm just walking down the strip to this restaurant. It's a distance, but it's nice out, so we gonna pass Jarrell's favorite bar. It's hot as hell, y'all. Let's see my background. I'm about to go to this taco place, the Drunken Taco. Y'all, I came in here for the AC. It is like a gift store. Y'all see how I'm sweating? This is how hot it is out here. What is this? Seashell. I have to get used to recording outside because, you know, I don't like people in my face. The Drunken Taco's not jumping. It's not drunken. The little strip is jumping. Bathing suits are nice. What's the price? $29.99. That's cute. This caught my attention, these two colors, because y'all know this the Knicks colors. New York. Alright, now I'm about to go into this restaurant. I needed to cool down. I needed to cool down, y'all. I needed to cool down. That store is expensive as hell. I gotta do a mirror check. Mirror check. I'm sweating in the back. I still look good. I gotta cover the crotch. I got a big crotch area, y'all. Y'all, let me tell y'all something about this salad right here. I ain't never had no salad that tastes like this. This salad was off the motherfucking chain. This was a 10 out of 10. No, I'm sorry. 1,000 out of 1,000. This was the best salad I've ever had, y'all. $22 worth well spent. Like, OMG. So it was tuna. It was potatoes. It was arugula salad. It was the eggs. But I took the egg yolk out because I don't really fuck with the egg yolk. So I ate the egg whites. It was capers. It was green beans, string beans. It was what else was up in there? Some cranberries and the shrimp. The shrimp was grilled. Like, this was off the chain. I don't even remember the name of the restaurant. That's bad. But I know where it's at. I know where it's located. I will drive there just for this salad. I never spent $22 for a salad. And the plate was mad big, y'all. I'm well satisfied. All right, enough of the salad. Enough of the salad. This water feels so good. The beach calming down. my feet wet. Gonna wash my feet off. So I'm on a drawbridge. I'm on the drawbridge, y'all. I really don't like walking across the drawbridge because that sign said every 15 minutes. It might take me 15 minutes to get to the top. I need this exercise. Even though I had a salad, I need to walk that salad off. I'm out of shape, y'all. It's really asthma. It's really asthma. Bro, what the fuck I said? What the fuck did I say? Oh, 15 minutes. That is the fucking drawbridge. It took me 15 minutes all the way from back there. Where they going? Oh my god, I'm not even trying to make it. Let me show y'all these houses though. Like no one has ever made you feel. Hurry the fuck up, boat. The Caprice. So it's officially night. It's 8:36 p.m. Y'all know I'm from New York. Y'all know how we do. We walk. I decided to walk home. It's not a far walk. It's actually nice out here. It's nice out here. I'm still sweating though, but I still look good. So I'm getting ready to walk through the club scene. I'm sweating bullets though. Like, besides my boo, what if I see somebody? Like, I totally forgot. Damn. Whew. I'm gonna try to go in the 7-Eleven. Is it Wiggers over there? Yeah, there's Wiggers over there. OMG, bro. I don't got no tissue. I really want to go to the 7-Eleven. But it's like mad wiggers over there. Wiggers galore. Oh, God, it's hot. 7-Eleven. I need tissue. Because it ain't no fucking breeze out here. You know what? I'm going to just keep it moving. Something telling me not to go over there, so I ain't going to go over there. It's looking real shifty over there. But I need some tissue, y'all. Look at my face. I look crazy right now. I mean, I look good still, but my face... That's what I be hearing in my house. That ish right there. This loud for what? Oh, I didn't know they had World of Smoke Vape right here. Yo, I need glasses because it's a bush sitting right here, and I thought the bush was a heavy-set lady bent over. I'm bugging the out. And no, I ain't had no eddies. It's the bush. It's the bush right here. I dead ass thought it was a person. I must eat a lot of salt. Cause why am I sweating like this? Gosh. I need some tissue. Alright, I'm passing the Floridian. Y'all, look at this car. Look at this. Any Dominican. All my Cali family members. Y'all know about this, right? Homeboy got out the car and left the car tilted. He left the car on tilt to go in the club. He left the car on tilt. How that trash thing? Shorty, you curious? Oh, you was gonna run me over? Oh, look. That's who my husband worked for. I seen them things up and down the beach today. Hair's still intact. I'm just sweating bullets. This nigga almost fell. Wake up, my bad. Dumb motherfucker. Damn, my teeth look white. They white, I'm just saying. Look at this restaurant, y'all. Restaurant on the water. All right. I don't know if I'm going to record because we are approaching the club scene. And it looks extra crowded. I don't want nobody to knock my phone out my hand because I'm going to get real Brownsville on them. I feel like I'm with them. We all left the beach at the same time. And we still walking together. I'll be back, y'all. It look like Christmas out here. I finally made it home. This is where the gators be at, y'all. Y'all, I finally made it home. Still sweating. I'm about to get in the shower. Drink me some water. Make me sweat. Make me water. Make me lose my breath. Make me water. That's how I go. I don't know. Yeah, but y'all know what I'm singing. So yeah, I'm about to take a shower real quick cause I'm just sweaty. And then I'm about to lay down. So let me take this shower real quick. Get myself together. Get these cats together. They sniffing my shoes. Like, where you was at? Where you went? You better not have been around no other cat. That's crazy. What if humans did that? Whenever y'all wiggers went out and they came back and you just start sniffing their shoes. Like, it smells like you've been around a bitch. Look at this. Why you sniffing my shoes? I wasn't around no cat. You the only cat in my life, Luna. You and your sisters. Look at this. She's like, yeah, where the fuck she went? Yo, that's so funny. But let me get this shower going. And then I'm gonna come back. So I can end the whole vlog, okay? Stay right there. Okay, y'all. I'm tired. I'm an old ass lady. I'm a 72-year-old lady. I'm old. I took my bath. And now I'm in my bed. I'm about to watch some TV. And the TV is going to be watching me. This is one of the nights where I don't have insomnia because I'm tired. So I probably need to start walking more. Maybe I need to start doing that until my insomnia goes away. But I'm tired. I'm not even gonna hold you. I'm exhausted. I had a very good day today. I hope y'all had a good day today. And tomorrow is Sunday. Y'all probably see this video on Sunday. I don't know. Because I said I'm tired. But yeah. I'm so tired. Oh. Told y'all. I ain't even gonna hold a video no longer. I hope y'all enjoy the little miniature vloggy vlog. And I'm gonna see y'all for the next story time. I have to edit that video. So, yeah. Make sure you tell a friend. You tell another motherfucking friend that the cane is on. Let me hold on, y'all. Hold on. Wherever you at in this crazy ass world, if you at a barbecue, if you at a party, if you about to have a fight, if you at the corner store, if you standing outside with the ice cups, make sure you tell a friend to tell another motherfucking friend that the cane is on the fucking tube. Peace.
Best of luck when I come around the block, 'cause they go